Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have some more unboxings of the new Lego VIDIYO Series 1 minifigures. So we have a couple from last time and they were so cool, so we went back and bought some more. So I kept calling this guy a fox. He's actually a red panda. And then we have the cheetah, the banshee, which is the ghost, and then the bunny. And usually, if you're not familiar with my channel, usually I show you how to find the minifigure you're looking for through bump codes or feeling the bag. There's no way to feel these. I did notice there is some coding here, but they all appear to be the same. It says 03R1. It's probably like a region code or a code for the box. Yeah, my 3-year-old agrees.
That's very cute.
Yeah, we got a new one. Can't remember this one's name, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it together. Which one did you get, Jackson?
The Red Panda.
The Red Panda again. So we did get one duplicate, but that's fine. We'll leave it in the bag. So here are the bricks that came with this guy, and he kind of looks like a Ninjago. His headpiece kind of looks like Lord Garmadon, I think is his name. So he's pretty cool. Has some neat printing on the front and back. And then of course we got a duplicate of this guy.
Red Panda?
Red Panda. I thought he looked like a fox, but he is a red panda according to the Lego website. All right, so we got 4 more.
Oh my! You actually can be right.
Really? Are you opening one the same time I'm opening one?
Yeah, I like doing that.
Okay. Another duplicate. We got a Banshee. But this one is pretty cool. I can show you what that looks like since we already have it put together. They all come with 3 tiles. The minifigure.
I got a new one.
A new one? Which one?
You got cowboy, I think.
Yeah, it kind of looks like a cowboy. Let's get to putting that one together so we can take a look. Here's what the country guy looks like all built. Pretty fun. There are 12 different ones to collect, and we're really hoping for the ice cream man or the shark. I really want the shark. But here's what they look like. They're all pretty cool, honestly.
Yeah.
All right. So let me cut the side of this one.
My Lego thing.
Here, you can open this one, Raylan.
Oh, no, that's mine.
Okay, there you go. Pull it out. We're going to see what it is.
Okay. Please. Is that new? Maybe.
All right. What is it, Raylan?
Hold this. Ooh, new.
All right. We got the alien looking guy, right?
Yeah.
It's like a bug and alien. Ooh, that's a cool brick. All right. So we'll build that one. I love the little...
a shark.
We got the shark.
I got the shark. I'm going to build it.
Raylan loves sharks. So glad to have this one.
Go check that.
So here's my favorite. I like the little duck with the guitar. He's got a lot of neon and like pastel printing, which I think is really visually appealing. Love his little mohawk. He's definitely my favorite so far. And then we have this little alien guy who came with some pretty cool bricks. And a little keyboard guitar type thingy.
Oh no.
Raylan's real excited for the shark. So yeah, that's what we got today. And we will be buying some more. So if you are interested to see unboxings of more of these little guys, stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.